So today we have a video that's completely different about a different product. So we have here the ALIEXPRESS Smart Hearing Aid, and I'm lucky to say that my ears are still pretty fine, but my dad does have some hearing loss and they contacted me to try them out. I was like, yeah, I'm not really a person for them. But I told them my dad is trying different kind of ones to really see if he can hear a bit better. But all of them have two downsides. The first downside is that they like boost everything. So this means it's not only boosting the voices, but also all the background noises. And it's pretty annoying. But these do work pretty well. So for example, with the application from ELEHEAR, you can change a lot of settings. For example, you can change the boosting settings. You can also adjust the volume of the hearing aid. But it also has different modes. And for example, if you have the restaurant mode, it's more focused on bringing the sound that's close to you a bit better in focus. But also you have a TV mode, which is actually helping to give the TV sound a bit better experience. But it also has noise cancellation modes. And this means that, this is something which my dad really was happy to use, because if he is working, now he doesn't need to hear everything in the background. He can hear the voices pretty well. The only complaint that he could give is that they are a bit uncomfortable in some scenarios, but also the battery life is maybe not the longest. And as you can see also, like in the app, there's an indication where you can see that the battery is like lasting around 12 hours. Yes, I do think it could have been a bit longer. But luckily we have this beautiful charging case, which not only has an indication on the front, but even if you put them back into the charging case, which I can do, you even have an indication how much they are charged. So the battery life, that it's not the longest battery life out there, is maybe not the biggest issue with this charging case, because you can charge it a few times up with this. So you can take it out and then you will be happy with this as well. So yeah, overall performance is so pretty solid, and he can even use them as Bluetooth earplugs. You can also use it to call with somebody, so it will boost the call that you have with somebody, or you can use it directly on them. But the only thing that maybe isn't working that well, I would say, is the TV mode, because with the TV mode, the audio is better for TV watching. But it does have the tendency to be a bit too overbrighting the sound. So this means that, for example, if you have some music in a video or a movie, it has the tendency to drop between volumes in those two categories. Because I did try them out myself as well a bit. Of course on pretty low volume, because they're pretty loud already if you don't use them on a big volume. So overall, it's an alright experience, and I do think that if you want something that's a bit more focused on voice enhancement and less on all amplifying sounds, they do a pretty great job. And especially with the app, you do have the possibility to change between modes. You even have a titanium mode, so you have different background sounds. They really have done a pretty well package. It's really an all-round performer. It's definitely not perfect in any category, but it's at least pretty well done with the AI functionality to keep background noise a bit more on a minimum. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you all in the next one.